Hello everybody and welcome to another Heineken instructional video. Today we have the banner wall, so let's dive straight into it. Over here we have our assembly kit with all the different parts that we will use. We've got the feet, the legs, the stabilizers and the fabric sock. First things first, we're going to grab the legs, unfold them and then insert them into the feet. Second, we take the first stabilizer and insert it in between the legs. Once you're done with that, you grab the second stabilizer and clip the ends into the legs. Please make sure to clip one side at a time, as that makes it easier. Next, you grab the third stabilizer and repeat the last step, but the difference is that you will place it higher. Moving on to the final step, you're going to grab the fabric sock, then grab the banner frame, lean it over so you can reach the top if you're short, and then you just simply slip on the fabric sock. If you're tall, then you just don't have to lean it over, you can just slip on the fabric sock. And then please make sure that the sock is on properly and in line with the frame so that the promotion in the front of the fabric sock is visible. And there you go, you have your Heineken silver banner wall all set up and ready to promote.